railway track down there. That's a bit weird. It has. With a cable over the top, work that out.
I can't believe that's not working anymore.
Ah, no, it could be for electric buses. They pick one thing up there and one on there, like a scale electric.
Okay.
So here we are, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. That trolley buses thing, or tram.
Yeah, it must be.
There's a lot of external parking, there's covered parking. I think there's 4,000 parking spaces.
Covered parking would be better, wouldn't
Yeah.
So I told them so long that they might not be busy, but I don't take that on.
Over there, one big one I can see.
Is Venice over there? Or is that where where is it? Oh, there's the wonderful. What does it say?
Tronchetto to the right. Video camera to do the boat trip to what's the bridge called? What's the bridge? Rialto Bridge.
You're not taking notice of where we're going.
Yeah, Tronchetto. Ferry. Parking. Turistico.
This wasn't here 20 odd years ago, was it? Or was it?
No, it's been built.
Yeah, there's so many people visit. Wow.
Tronchetto.
Maybe it's that way.
Parking is this way. And over here. Tronchetto, yeah. Yes, mate. There's a little monorail that takes you across there, but you have to pay for it, and then you still got to walk. We've got to catch the little boat over here, line number 2 it is. There's no rush. Right, parking. To the right. Perfect. Usual thing, take your ticket.
Okay.
How much?
3 hours is £16, dollars. Said euros.
Yep, it is.
I suppose we have to.
And then anything over that, you pay the full daily rate.
No, there was 4 hours, I think.
Oh, right. Is there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Which is what?
I don't know. I was trying to get more than
Yeah.
1, 2,
No,
3.
anything over, I think, anything over 3 hours, I thought, it's a full daily rate, which is €21.
We'll have a look. Oh, is that right? We'll have a look.
Something like that.
I presume you pay at the pay station.
Yeah. So there's no rush to
So to take this with us then.
Oh yes.
23.
Rabbit straight on. Interesting, isn't it?
Okay.
And monkeys to the right it was, you see that?
Yeah.
Rabbit. Monkey.
All the way.
No idea.
Okay. I think he's just as confused.
Electric cars. Let's get one more.
This doesn't around, see?
No. There we go.
Oh.
Straight ahead.
So we just park here somewhere.
Yeah.